I am waiting outside. I am going upstairs. It looks heavy. I am feeling sleepy. Stop talking loudly. Can we move now? Please close it softly. I am right in front. It's too sharp. Keep it on top. Don't worry about it. It's not loading. Make it simple. Keep it hidden. Don't touch that. Keep it folded. Just stand here. Please check it. Don't touch the wall. Can you guide me? It looks clean. Just be honest. I am listening now. Please check again. I am very busy. It feels warm. I'm really happy. Please lock it. Please move back. Don't argue now. Just smile now. Keep it ready. Don't drop it. Just stay positive. Please close it softly. Can we move now?